Okay, so this is exciting. Why have I started a new channel? Well, it's pretty simple really. I want a more commercial channel which is a little bit less technical and a little bit more project led to kind of inspire clients, interior designers, anyone that's looking for something, maybe doing a Google search, they find it. It's quite quick to watch, quite easy to digest. There will be music, very little if any talking, and it's not going to be kind of in-depth shop builds. So there's two very new projects on there which aren't on this channel at the moment. The new channel is called MW Designs. This channel, Mannerwood, is still going to be going strong. This is going to be staying more technical, obviously as normal, no music, kind of what everyone seems to like. The new channel will have a lot less content, probably just a few videos. I'm going to be calling them projects to inspire. Some of them will be taken from this channel, some of them are new ones. And their really idea behind those is that it just gives people ideas, whether they be end clients, whether they be interior designers, whatever. Just gives them ideas of what's possible, and then they can come to me, hopefully, and adapt something for themselves. Because what I really like doing is bespoke. I don't actually manufacture lots of the same thing, like many of us custom designers. So it's a place to be inspired. It's a place to just relax and watch it and see if any ideas come. So I'm also working on something which is turning out to be quite slow and arduous, but I'm trying to, for the new channel, for MW Designs, I'm trying to make a video which kind of explains, I hate the word corporate, but it kind of explains what Mannerwood's about, where we source our timber, how I like to work with local, I like to keep low carbon footprint, I work with local farmers, landowners to retrieve trees, the local sawmill, I've got a very close contact with them, other people around that deal in wood. So keeping everything local, very low impact. That's what I'm trying to do. You know, I love my sawdust burner and I save my sawdust for the winter, etc. So I am working on a video for that as well. It's really hard to make it slick. So that will be coming to the new channel, and that's really crucial leading up to the show I'm doing in the XL in September for the corporate event, so for the hotel industry. So that's something that's coming, but don't worry, this Mannerwood, the channel is going to be going strong. There's loads of new content coming, videos in the pipeline. This bench is coming next, which I built. It's a memorial bench, really sad, but anyway, a friend of mine, but this will be coming soon. I've done the video and just need to edit it as normal. I would really welcome your support on the new channel. If anyone can fancies coming over and having a look, as I said, there's two brand new videos. One is the bronze desk table. One is this amazingly clear glass cast bar top, which I did. They will be coming to Mannerwood normal channel in a longer version very, very shortly. Just need to get around to editing. I've been extremely busy. But yeah, if you do fancy coming over, I would really appreciate it. I've heard it's quite difficult to get your stuff found on YouTube and Google till you've got X amount of subscribers. So any of you that can actually bear the music, it will be me making everything. So if you like seeing that, really thanks for your support. And as always, if you really want in-depth, crazy long videos, really in-depth, and lots of technical questions, I do have a Patreon channel, which is really reserved for the builders and the makers. The community there's quite different. Thanks so much for your support as always. Until the next one, I'll see you later. Bye.